Yes, good morning, students. Standard 12 Science, 12th Commerce, 11 Science, 11 Commerce. Dear students, topic number 1 question tag. Do as directed. Okay. Now use of question tag. Here you can see what happened that sometimes we use short questions at the end of the sentence. Sometimes we use short question at the end of the sentence. This is called question tag. Okay. This short question may be positive or negative. The short question may be positive or negative. Okay. तो ये पॉजिटिव भी आ सकता है, नेगेटिव भी आ सकता है. किसी भी सेंटेंस के एंड में हम जब छोटा सा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, चाहे वो सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव, लास्ट में जो छोटा सा क्वेश्चन हम पूछते हैं, ओके, उसका आंसर लेने के लिए, तो वो है दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन टैग. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन टैग. इन द बिगिनिंग द सेंटेंस विल बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. ओके. Or a positive, either a negative, then comma, then helping verb. Helping verb here in present tense is am, are, to be. Past tense was, were. To have forms has, have, had. Future shall, will. Modal auxiliaries can, could, may, might, should, would, must. These all are the helping verbs. Okay. If we have to give the answer in negative, if the sentence is positive, the question tag will be negative. So as per requirement, we have to use not. Okay. Then pronoun, not noun. Okay, pronoun. Yes. If Mr. Shah, there is a he. If there is a in a sentence subject Mrs. Patel, then we have to use she. Okay, just like a pronoun, he, she, it, they. And at the last, question mark. Dear students, now not. If the sentence is positive, the answer of the question tag will be negative. Second, if the sentence is negative, the answer of the question tag will be positive. Number third, the question tag of I am, aren't I, question marks. Okay, just like I am your brother, aren't I? I am your math teacher, aren't I? Just like that. I am, aren't I? Okay, number 4. The question tag of I am not means am I? Okay, negative, positive. Okay. This is or that is, then the sentence continue. This is a book, then isn't it? That is a tractor, isn't it? So here you can see this, that pronoun. Okay, it. If the sentence positive, question tag negative, question marks. Important is question marks. Okay. Then these, those are. These are girls. Positive. Aren't they? You can see that these, those, pronoun they. Those are, these are, aren't they? Question marks. Okay. Now, dear students, modal auxiliaries verbs. Shall, shan't, will, won't, should, shouldn't, would, wouldn't, must, mustn't or must not, may, may not, can, can't, could, couldn't, might not. Now you see the example. Mr. Patel is a teacher. Okay. Now put a question marks. So Mr. Patel is a teacher. Here is the sentence is positive. You see that the whole sentence, there is not no or never or something like that. It's total positive sentence, affirmative. So question tag will be negative. Isn't Mr. Patel, pronoun he, question marks. Get it? Fine. Intelligent students. Now number 2, I am your best friend. Put a question mark. This is for you, exercise. Yes. You have to write down the answer and you have to send me. Okay, sir, we have solved it. Okay, you have to send the pic or you have to write down, okay, in your notebook. Boys were not in the class. Boys were not in the class, comma, put a question marks. My uncle has a new car, comma, put a question marks. She was in the class yesterday, comma, put a question marks. Tina and Meena are good friends, comma, put a question marks. Our milkmaid is very regular, comma, question marks. Our principal can move fast, comma, put a question marks. He will not attend the party soon, put a question marks. This is your practice work, okay? If you have a doubt that you can contact me directly, okay? You can call me. Now number 10, they may not walk fast, negative. Put a question marks. We should help the poor, positive. Put a question marks, negative. We must work hard, positive. Put a question marks, negative. This is a nice pen, positive sentence. Put a negative question marks. Okay. These are our bikes. Sentence is positive. Now put a question tag. Okay. Negative here. I shall play cricket tomorrow. A positive sentence, affirmative. Put a question marks here. Okay, at the end of the sentence and write the question tag. We could not solve this sum yesterday. You see the negative sentence not is there. So now put a question tag. Okay, accordingly. And now, dear students, again, not important notes is there. Sometimes in the sentence of present tense, okay, present tense to be means is MR, or sometimes in the past tense to be. Past tense to be means was, were, okay, are not given in the sentences. So at that time we have to see the verb properly and we have to decide that this sentence is related with a present tense or a past tense. So we have to see the verb properly, okay, and then decide. Thus, we have to see the sentence properly and understand it clearly with the help of verbs, okay. Now you see, simple present tense, how you can judge? So you have judged that verb 1 or verb behind this verb s or es, okay. Third person singular s or es, just like a play or plays, sing, sings, like, likes, like that, okay. You have to catch the verb from the sentence. Now simple past tense, so verb to, okay, not write, wrought, not take, took, not give, gave. In that way you have to judge. This is the sentence is related with past tense or this is with present tense. And then at that time we have to use do, does for simple present tense and did for simple past tense, dear student, okay. Example, I play cricket daily. You see that verb, there is no is MR, okay, but this sentence is the tense of simple present tense because play, I play, we play, you play, he, she, it plays, they play. So here play, so verb 1, here verb 1. So now for doing negative, sentence is positive, we have to write negative answer of question tag. So I के साथ क्या आएगा? That I do, we do, you do, he, she, it does, they do. So don't I, this is the answer, okay. Now second one, she sings songs daily, comma, question tag, put a question tag here. Now you see sings as, here as, means simple present tense, okay, dear students. Now we wrote a letter yesterday. Now wrote, you see the past tense, positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Put a question tag. This is for you, self practice. Mrs. Josie cut an apple. Cut an apple. Affirmative. C does not play chess daily. You see the does not negative. So you have to write here does C like that. Okay. My mother did not cook food yesterday. You see question tag. Did not negative, right? Positive. Number 7. My English teacher did not teach grammar yesterday. You see the negative. Okay. Put a question tag. Girls wrote the 3 papers yesterday, comma, put a question tag. Here you see past tense wrote. Okay. So find out the how you can solve this sentence. Okay. See the not. Okay. Now number 9. We paid. You see the we paid the bill last night. Put a question tag. So this is a self practice, dear students. Now again third and last not very important. If any sentence starting or beginning with verb, okay, means there is a meaning of order, meaning of request, command, like that. So starting with verb and the sentence is either positive or negative. Don't worry about it. So either the sentence is positive or negative. The answer of the question tag, will you? Question mark. Only let us or let's or a let us. Okay, the short form of let us, let's. We have to use shall we. Now you see example. Wait here. Starting with verb. Wait here. Will you? Let's dance on the stage. You see the let's. Let's dance on the stage. Shall we? Okay. Now for you, shall practice. Don't touch my mobile. What a question. See, don't touch. Okay. Let's not play football. Okay, let's sing songs. Again, let's. Okay, question 10. Stop there. Starting with verb. Put a question 10. Don't touch that book. Starting with verb. Okay. Start working. Starting with verb. Question 10. Go up. Go. Verb. Open the book. Open. Starting with verb. Please help me. You see that. Help. Okay. Put a proper question tag. Okay. Kindly stop this nonsense. Stop. Proper. Starting with verb. Put a proper question tag. Come to my house soon. Come. Starting with verb. Okay. Starting with verb, dear students. Okay. Only will you understand this? Let's or let us, shall we? Okay. Don't think other. Don't touch me. Okay. Put a question there. Sorry. Don't teach me. Okay. Put a question there. Ask to your English teacher, comma. Question there. Now you see that here do or teach, here ask. Let's not tell lie. You see the starting with let's. Put a question there. These all are the examples for your self practice, dear students. Now we have finished here our first topic, question tag. Okay, I will send a PDF file, a photograph of this topic, and you have to write. Okay, any doubt you can directly call me. Fine. Chalo, thank you.